fine. If he was taking care of it, that's fine. But with regards to them suing you for this, if it's more than 5 years, all they can do is bark, but there's no money.
Fantastic. That's all I wanted to know. Excellent.
Right?
That's
so,
it.
yeah, and if they start threatening you or whatever, number one, you can either just hang up on them. You don't need to put up with their nonsense. But all you need to do is say, listen, send me something in writing, and I'll forward it over to an attorney for review, and I'll get back to you. And then if they start again giving you attitude, yelling, screaming, threatening, hang up. You need to deal with them.
That's fantastic.
Right?
That's exactly what was told to me. Yeah.
Good. And before I let you go, Mr. Solo, I just got to remind you that eventually you may be receiving a survey. If you do, all we ask is that you please fill it out and send it in. The range is 0 to 10. Anything under a 10, and I get yelled at by my boss. If you want to be involved, I greatly appreciate it. Right.
I'll give you an 11.
11, perfect. Even better. All right.
Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
What was that?
That was basically
that was Legal Shield.
That was Legal Shield.
Number one.
The attorney that the company that we went ahead and consulted for one of our customers that's being threatened, is being sued, went through the credit repair program. The account got deleted. Unfortunately, they still continue to call him, harass him, tell him that they're going to go to court. There's going to be an open investigation. But the attorney just confirmed that if it's been more than 5 years since that debt, then unless he's made a payment, then there's a bunch of bark, but there's not gonna be a bite. So just ignore it. You can literally hang up on him if you want.
Fire.
And it's already been 7 years.
I love it.
So I'm gonna just call him, give him the good news. Don't worry about it.
Awesome.